Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use a 3-tier cart to make postpartum or after birth mommy life that much easier. So I went ahead and bought this Lexington 3-tier rolling cart. Isn't it so cute, you guys? I chose this color, but they have a whole bunch of different colors. And the inches I chose were the 16.8 inch by the 13.9 inch. And this was the perfect little one for me. I had to return the other one I bought because it was gigantic. Okay, so I want to start by showing you guys everything that is in the caddy. This is not how it's going to look at the end, but I kind of loaded it just to know where I want to put everything, I think. So on the first row, I put more so bathroom stuff, like her bathing stuff. So first, you're going to need some kind of, I'm waiting for this to show, but this is her lotion. So you're going to need some kind of lotion. Some kind of body wash and hair stuff. And this one is 100% virgin coconut oil baby wash and shampoo with sweet pea and muru. Hydrate and nourish delicate skincare. So you're gonna need something for your baby's skin. And then I just kind of stuck this in here. And this is just the soap that we use to wash her bottles and the nipples and all that kind of good stuff. So I put that in here so that when I take it to the bathroom, if I need extra, but I already keep some in the bathroom. Right here, I have some caps for her. So this is her caps and her mitten set. So you want to keep caps and mittens inside of your caddy. And then you want to keep bibs on deck. So I have her little bandana bibs. You guys, bandana bibs are my favorite. So I have to have the bandana bibs for her. And then of course, shower stuff. You can't forget your washcloths. I'm looking over there because I'm trying to see if everything is focusing. And then right here we have some nail clippers. These are baby nail clippers. Very important because baby nails grow so fast, you guys, and they're as sharp as razors. And then I have some 0 to 6 month pacifiers. And then I don't know why I put some wipes at the top. I put wipes everywhere. You guys, my husband actually discovered these wipes, and Fresh and Clean, the Target brand, they are the best wipes if you ask me. They smell so good. Well, you know what? Let me take that back. The best wipes to me are actually water wipes. I think they're amazing, but these got the water wipes beat just because they smell so good to me. But the water wipes are truly, to me, the best wipes. And then right here, we're looking empty right here. So let's move on down to the next row. And I'm just going to bring it out. I have onesies for her. These are the baby newborn onesies. So this comes with 2 in 1, and then this is 1. And then underneath that, I have some bigger onesies for her because newborns clothes kind of, you know, they kind of grow out of them really fast. So I just got some regular 0 to 3 months ones as well. She can't fit in them yet, and it doesn't look like she's going to be able to fit in them anytime soon, actually. But it's good to just keep them, to have them, you know, on deck. And then right here, I have 4 burp cloths. So you're going to need you some burp cloths. Is this even showing, guys? I don't see that it's showing. Still looking in the viewfinder to see if I can see it, but I don't know. And then, of course, some more wipes. I have so many wipes in here. That was the second level where it's just clothes and burp cloths. Like things whereas if the baby spits up or if the baby, you know, you have to change the baby. You have that kind of stuff on the second level. And then last but not least, on the last level, I have, these are so cute, you guys. I have swaddles. These are the cutest swaddles ever. And these are the muslin sweats. Am I saying that right? Muslin blankets, cotton muslin blankets. They're swaddles, guys, but the muslin ones, they're really good. And then last but not least, I do have 2 blankets, one right here and one that I keep on the side right here. This is so cute, you guys. This one has the Okay, let me take that off. This one has the hat. Well, let me show you guys. It has a hat and it has little shoes and the actual blanket. So it's so cute, especially when winter time rolls around, because she'll still be a few months when winter time rolls around. And I have this pink blanket. You guys, these are the softest blanket that I've ever felt for babies, and I love it. I love soft blankets. So yes, those are the items you'll need. So I'm gonna start taking the tags off of all of them and just really designing this thing. So this is the final look, guys. I went ahead and changed some things around. I put the hats right there, I put the gloves right there, and I went ahead and put the bibs over here. I kept the Shea Moisture and the hair stuff and the body supplies on the same first part of the cart. And I also kept the wipes up there, and I decided to keep the soap up here as well. And yes, these wipes are still my first and second favorite. Moving down one row, I decided to keep the onesies over here and had to sneak in these diapers. I don't know how I even forgot to tell you guys about these diapers. But yeah, I put my little Huggies diapers all over here to make it easier for me. And I had the bibs up there as well. And then here at the bottom, I have her blankie and her swaddles. So that's pretty much it. But I want you guys to remember this newborn caddy is not just for newborns, even though I say that, but it's also for all your other toddlers and kids, you know, like your 2-year-olds and stuff. Believe it or not, I actually use this for my 2-year-old. I keep his diapers on here as well. So yeah, don't forget that. Use this to your advantage. Take it in the bathroom if you need it to, and just anywhere you really need it. Use this to your advantage. All right, mamas. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure if you liked it that you gave it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Comment if you have any comments, and make sure you share, because if this video blessed you, it can definitely bless somebody else. And don't forget, if you live to love, you will love to live. Bye, guys.